Alright, so parang nasa loob na si Mark. Pasok tayo dito. Here. Nandun na nga siya. Hey bro.
Another Samgyeopsal day na naman. So, another favorite place to go.
Favorite place to go. So, pansin nyo guys, ang galing nakaserve sila sa different kind of trays. No, sir?
Yung plain pork po, marinated pork, and spicy pork. Sir, enjoy your food, sir.
Thank you.
Kapag meron po kayong problema sa griller o kaya po refill ng food, call lang po kayo sa amin po.
Sir.
Sige, sir.
Kahit di ko pa natitikman yung kanilang pagkain, very Instagrammable. Ang daming mga kulay, very lively, vibrant colors. And, muy pa lang, very Korean.
Actually, yung kanilang mga meat dito, sa tingin pa lang quality na.
Quality and premium yan. Look at that.
Check that chicken pa lang, oh.
Yes.
Ang ganda.
Yes. I attest to that. Super premium meat only at Chef Baboy.
All in one bite. Alright!
What another experience.
Another option sa mga mahilig mag-samgy dyan.
Yes.
This is Chef Baboy.
Yes.
Located dito sa may Greenfields, Sindalan.
No,
Yes.
let's recap in this category. So number one, about the location. What can you say about the location?
Yung location, napakadaling puntahan, napakadaming parking, hindi problema yon, and napakaganda.
Eh,
Feel at home dito kasi napaka-Instagrammable din.
Ako naman, na-feel ko dito is very Korean.
Yes.
So, a touch of, modern, millennial, plus yung elegance ng mga Korean design. Let's talk about the side dishes.
Yung 14 side dishes, talagang sulit na sulit. Nagustuhan ko doon yung kanilang seaweed. Kasi
alright.
medyo maasim, which is I like.
Ako, nag-stand out sa akin yung japchae.
Yes.
How about the meat in itself, bro?
Yung meat naman, may tatlong choices lang tayo sa meat. Yung pork, beef, and chicken. Tapos yung mga flavors lang nila is more on
Plain,
marinated,
yes.
and spicy.
Ayan. Plus, yung cheese ni Sir Vince, actually super premium, own recipe, kumbaga. And ang sarap. Alright, so ayun nga guys, if you see this person right here, siguradong nasa Chef Baboy ka na. Yun.
Yes,
So guys, if you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys. Boom. Bye.